If you're having issues with your website, feel free to reach out to me at webtrackofficial@gmail.com. Whether it's troubleshooting, optimizing, or taking your website to a next level, I am here to help you solve any website challenges. Recently, my client's website got hacked, and it was a nightmare. Malicious files, redirects, and even a locked admin dashboard. But after hours of research and testing, I finally fixed it. In this video, I'll show you exactly how I recovered my client's hacked WordPress site, step by step. Let's get started. First, I checked the website's root directory and found suspicious files like bot.php, shell.php, and other unfamiliar scripts. I deleted them immediately. If a folder says directory not empty, open it and manually delete the files inside. Some may refuse to delete due to permissions. Just leave those for now. After cleaning, I refreshed the site, but it was still broken. The main attack points are .htaccess and index.php in the root folder. Hackers inject malicious redirects here. I replaced .htaccess with default WordPress code. You can find this online or ask AI tools like DeepSeek or ChatGPT. Next, I opened index.php. It was completely modified. I pasted the default WordPress code and saved. Great, the homepage works. But when I try accessing /wp admin, it says, page not found. That means hidden malware is still blocking access. We need to act fast before it reinfects the site. From cPanel, I went to the WordPress installation directory, opened the Security Measures tab, and selected all files. This prevents malicious scripts from rewriting themselves. Some cPanels let you access WordPress without a password. Once in, I updated everything. WordPress core, all plugins and themes. Changed all passwords. This removes known vulnerabilities hackers exploit. Finally, I installed all-in-one security plugin. Enabled the firewall and ran a full scan. This blocks future attacks and alerts me of suspicious activity. Bonus tips to prevent future hacks. Regular backups. Use Updraft Plus or Jetpack. 2FA login. Add two-factor authentication. Limit login. Attempts. Stop brute force attacks. Disable file editing. Add define. Disallow file edit true. To wp-config.php. Monitor activity. Plugins like WP Activity. Log track changes. And that's how I saved my client's website. If this helped, smash the like button and subscribe for more tech tutorials. Got questions? Drop them in the comments. I'll reply ASAP. Stay safe online, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace out.